So for a polynomial, the first thing we have to understand is that we're going to have to combine like terms, and to determine if something is a like term or not, we really have to look at the power, because polynomials are just things with an exponent, like x raised to the third power, fourth power, whatever. So when we look at these, we can label our polynomial based on the highest power or degree. So when I push this through, when I distribute that all the way through, what I'm going to end up with is 4x plus 2 times 3 is 6. X squared times another x is going to be x to the third. And then I got to distribute that through the parentheses. So 2 times negative 5 is a negative 10. And then x squared. So we go by the highest power. So the highest power of x is 3. So this is a third degree polynomial. Okay. Third degree. And then the number of terms that I have, since I can't combine anything, I only have 3 terms. Now, sometimes you can simplify things, but this is x. Technically, this is x to the first power. This is x to the third, x to the second. Now, when I look at this one, if I combine these and simplify it, I look for the highest power. So I'm just straight up adding these. So I'm going to have negative x to the fifth power. Then, so that's off the list. Then I'm going to have negative 3x to the fourth power, and I don't see any other fourth powers. 3x to the fourth. So I cross that off the list. Now here I have a positive 5x to the third and a positive 7x to the third. So when I add those together, I get 12x to the third. So those are like terms. And then negative 12 plus 6 becomes a negative 6. Look at the highest degree of x. It's a fifth degree polynomial because it's x raised to the fifth power. And because I was able to do some simplifying, I ended up with 4 terms, even though I started with 6. Now on this next one, this is a difference of squares. If I were to multiply this out, I've got 3x squared minus 3 times the quantity 3x squared plus 3. This is 9x to the fourth. This is negative 9x squared. This is positive 9x squared. And then this is just negative 9. Notice that when I combine the like terms, which is x squared, I have a negative 9x plus 9x squared. So those two cancel each other out. They equal 0. And so I'm left with 9x to the fourth minus 9. So this is what we would call a fourth degree polynomial, because x is the highest power of x is 4, but I only have 2 terms. And that's how you label, identify, combine like terms, and simplify polynomials.